today's video, I'm going to shout out the best among the rest woman I've ever known in my whole life. She is no longer in the DDC company, but her kindness still remains and has a deep impact in my life. Aside from being a hot mom, she has a son and a daughter and a very successful woman. None other than Melissa Azotea. Advance happy birthday on May 28. Thank you for everything, for the support, mentally, physically. Wish you all the best and God bless. Stay sexy.